The C++ programming language allows for conditions like a lot of other languages. There are 6 basic comparison operators that you can use. The less than or equal, greater than or equal to, the equality, and the not equal to. Each of these will return a true-false type result. The simplest form of a conditional operator inside of the C++ is something like our if statement. So let's create a basic variable, int age, and we're going to assign it a value. To perform a conditional operator, we're going to use the if statement. Inside of C++, we need to make sure our condition is within a set of parentheses. We'll specify age greater than 18, and we'll have our opening and closing braces. Here we're using our if statement. We're checking to see if age is greater than 18. If it is, we'll perform what's inside of our braces. In C++, the if statement requires the if keyword, the condition inside of parentheses, and then a true block. Now, our true block does not have to be within the set of braces if it is only 1 line long. If it is more than 1 line long, it must be inside the braces. I always recommend putting inside of braces just so there's no confusion. Inside of our statement here, we can say something like cout if I go and run my application, you'll notice that it gives us the result as we expect. Now, what if we were looking for an exact match? Well, this is a little bit different. In C++, the equality uses 2 equal signs. A single equal sign is an assignment, and 2 equal signs is a test for equality. If we go and run this, we don't get any output. Now, this is because our condition was false. Our age set at 20 is not equal to 18. However, we can't tell if our application ran correctly or if there was an error. So what we're going to do is we need something to happen if age is not equal to 18. In this case, we'll use an else statement. Once again, the braces for our else statement is not required. However, it is optional and highly suggested. The braces, however, are required if there is more than 1 line of code. Now, if we run our example, you'll see that a message comes up because our condition was false. It went to the else block and ran that. This way, we always know that our application is running and there wasn't just a little error. We'll look at some more complex forms of the statement in our next video.